The spider plant is one of the most popular and adaptable indoor plants in the world. Known for its long, arching leaves and tiny plantlets that hang down from the mother plant, it is a favorite for beginners and experts alike. The scientific name of the spider plant is Chlorophytum cassosum. It belongs to the Asparaginaceae family, making it a distant relative of garden asparagus and the agave plant. Spider plants are easily identified by their long, grass-like leaves that grow in a central rosette. While some are solid green, the most common varieties are variegated with white or cream-colored stripes running down the center or edges. The spider plant is classified as a perennial flowering herb. It is an evergreen species, meaning it retains its color and foliage throughout the year when kept in the right conditions. The Chlorophytum cassosum is native to tropical and southern Africa. In its native lands, it thrives in the dappled light of coastal and forest regions. This plant is incredibly hardy. It prefers bright, indirect light, but can tolerate lower light levels. It thrives in moderate temperatures and enjoys a boost in humidity, though it adapts well to standard household air. In the wild, spider plants often grow as ground cover in forest margins. They are well suited to rocky outcrops and areas where they can spread their roots through loose, organic-rich soil. Today, the spider plant is grown on every continent except Antarctica. It is highly valued as a decorative hanging plant and is a staple in offices and homes due to its legendary toughness. The plant grows in a fountain-like shape, with leaves arcing outward. As it matures, it sends out long, thin stems that produce small flowers and eventually develop into babies or offsets. Spider plants have unique, thick, tuberous roots that store water and nutrients, allowing them to survive periods of neglect. Their stems are wiry and flexible, designed to support the weight of dangling plantlets. The plant produces small, star-shaped white flowers on long stalks. Once the flowers fade, small clones of the parent plant, often called spiders or pups, begin to grow, easily taking root if they touch the soil. One of the most impressive traits of the spider plant is its ability to produce pups. A single healthy mother plant can produce dozens of offspring, making it one of the easiest plants to propagate and share. Beyond decoration, spider plants are famous for their air-purifying qualities. Studies have shown they are effective at removing common indoor toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from the air. In their native African ecosystems, these plants provide ground cover that protects the soil from erosion. Their small flowers also provide a source of nectar for local insects. The spider plant is a major product in the global nursery trade. Because it is so easy to grow and reproduce, it is an affordable and accessible entry point for millions of new plant hobbyists every year. Unlike many other houseplants, the spider plant is non-toxic to dogs and cats. However, it is known to have a mild hallucinogenic effect on cats, who may find the leaves irresistible to chew on. Let's recap. Chlorophytum cassosum is a perennial evergreen. It is famous for its air-purifying abilities. It produces offspring called spiderets or pups. It is non-toxic and pet-friendly. The spider plant is often confused with certain types of Dracaena or ornamental grasses. However, the presence of hanging plantlets is a definitive way to identify a true spider plant. Interesting fact.
In the 1980s, NASA included the spider plant in its famous clean air study, proving that this humble houseplant is a powerhouse at cleaning the air we breathe indoors.
The spider plant is a perfect example of nature's resilience. Whether in a hanging basket or a forest floor, it continues to be a symbol of growth and vitality in the world of botany.